What's up guys? So as you can tell by this video, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair today. I just can't help myself, y'all, and this is boring. This black is just not giving, and it's summer, you know, the sun is out. I just want to be cute, so I'm going copper today. I'm not gonna use any bleach this time around. I have 2-box dye. I have the Dark and Lovely. I'm gonna use this one. This is chestnut blonde, and I'm using this one for a lift. And I'll follow up by using, this is a warm copper from Sios. I'm gonna use this one to achieve the color that I want. Hopefully I don't regret doing this. Oh, before I get started, I just want to show you guys, this is a month and 2 weeks growth. The dye has been sitting on my hair for 15 minutes. The box said to leave it there for 30, but yeah. I'm gonna wash it out. So far so good. So I just rinsed it out. This is what it looks like. This is a chestnut blonde. It's actually pretty cute, but it's not the look I'm going for. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my copper, and I'm hoping that the copper pick up these grays I have in the front here. Can you all see them? The dye has been sitting on my hair for about 40 minutes, and right now it looks pretty dark. I don't remember it looking this dark the last time around, but it almost looks like burgundy, reddish burgundy, so I don't know what's going on there. I'm gonna go ahead and wash it out, shampoo my hair and everything, deep condition, and I'll come back and show you guys. So this is how the hair turned out. It's not super bright because this is a warm copper. And I also didn't bleach my hair, I just lifted it, so it's not gonna be super bright. But I actually like how it turned out. This is it from the back. I'm just gonna add some mousse and gel, and that's about it, because I don't know what to do. I don't know how to style short hair. So this is how my hair turned out after dyeing it, and I wasn't really satisfied with how it came out. I find it was still a little bit too dark. So I waited 3 days and I went ahead and dyed my hair for a second time. I know it looks bright on camera, but in person it's actually very dark. This is how my hair turned out after dyeing it for the second time. I really love it. You can really see the color now. I hope it's picking up on camera. Let me turn around so you guys can see. This is how I have it right now. Like I told you guys, I don't know how to style my hair at this length. I usually just add mousse and gel and keep it pushing. So I'll have to go on YouTube or Pinterest and see what the girlies are doing with this length. But yes, let me give y'all a close up. And I guess you will see it better if I was like in the sun. But because I'm inside and I'm using a ring light, you can see it, but not as good as if I was in the sun. But let me give y'all a good close-up of what it looks like. Comment below, let me know what you guys think of this color. I love it way better than the black, so it's a thumbs up for me. Yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.